Hi there. Today's I'm not sure because the last day I posted a new video was like maybe August 1st or August 3rd or something like that. The reason why I couldn't post a video is like I was traveling in Cairns and just prepared for back into Japan, so that's why you know I couldn't prepare and I couldn't post a video. But now you know it looks like a bit of different from where I posted it before and now, because I've arrived I've arrived in Japan, and this room is my grandmother's room, so that's why it's a bit of different. But anyway, yeah, like I said earlier, I mean the last video, I decided to post a video I try to introduce 3 words to some phrases that you can use in a daily life in Australia or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, let's get the ball rolling. Yeah. Our first things is or so, which means that daitai in Japanese, and I'm gonna show you one sentence. I think it's gonna start in 10 minutes or so. You can change, you can use give or take instead of or so. For instance, like another sentence is like it's gonna cost $10 or so, or something like that. Yeah. And second things is unstaffed. One example is like we've gotta do editing and stuff. I think it's gonna cost $2 or so. Yeah. This sentence is a bit of unique sentence, because I try to use also, which I introduced just before. So if you want to improve your English skill, especially speaking, you have to use some words that you remembered and you learned, right? So like this, and stuff also, and lastly, something like that. For instance, he said he was going to study English or something like that at the library, at a library. Something like that means that you can barely remember, or you can really come up with what someone will do, but you've heard before. Oh, another sentence is like her this is my for example, for instance, hey, look at the picture. He Hey, look at the picture. He's one of my friend, and her major is philosophy or something like that. So you can use something like that, right? Yeah. But you might feel only 3 words is a bit of less, but let you explain why, or let you explain why I can let me explain why I try to introduce only 3 words. Because if you try to remember 3 words or 3 sentences in a day, just not only remember, but also try to use some words in a daily life. In 1 year or in 2 years, your vocabulary or your phrases that you can use in daily conversation or in everyday will definitely increase and I assure you that your English skill will definitely improve. Even if you can remember only 3 words, right? Yeah. So, and from I would say the amount of time that I can speak in English in my daily life were decreasing, right? But I've gotta spend a lot of time on speaking English every day, like using native camp or try to post a video every day. Only 3 words, only 3 words makes you better. If you do it every day. The key is to do every day. That's it.